Hello everyone, my name is Olawale Nyolakon and I welcome you to Brief Design Workshop Series. The purpose of this channel is to help you navigate the often difficult waters of the real estate and property world. On this channel we'll talk about design and architecture, home ownership and renting, construction and infrastructure, and listing the services of a trained professional or just doing it yourself. And we'll also talk about interior design and everything else in between. Sometimes we'll have interesting guests, and other times we'll touch on some controversial topics. I also enjoy traveling, so I'll bring you to some of my favorite places all around the world. These topics can sometimes be very serious, but I'll do my best to make them as interesting and as fun as possible. So please subscribe, and please come along for the ride.